Hey, I keep getting asked this one question so many times that we have read all the books, or in fact, most of the books. We have done all the exercises that the book says. Then why is it that we cannot manifest? Well, in order to manifest, you've got to first really understand what manifestation is. What manifestation is your deepest intention, consciously and unconsciously. So consciously, for example, you want to manifest, say, 10,000 pounds, 100,000, or 1,000,000, or even more than that. You want to manifest that is consciously a decision that you have made. Your conscious mind is your thinking mind. Your subconscious mind is the mind of feeling. It's the mind which sends the message down to the body to take the action that is required. So when you make a decision that you want to make X amount of money, whether it's 1,000,000, 100,000, or 10 million, whatever the amount that you want to manifest, you say that, you commit to that, but it's the subconscious mind which is not taking it. And it is your subconscious mind that has to take up the information and send it out to the universe and also send it to the body for it to act upon it. But what is happening over here? Why is it that you're not manifesting? The reason you're not manifesting is that because when you are making a decision in your conscious mind, the subconscious mind is rejecting it, because remember one thing, your subconscious mind is a loyal servant, but it is not loyal to you. It is loyal to what you make it important. And what is important are your habits and your behaviors. What you believe to be true, those are your habits and your beliefs. That is what is important. And if you're telling yourself that you want to make 1,000,000 or 100,000, your subconscious mind is saying it's not possible because you do not believe it to be. And why is it? Because you keep telling yourself, I am not good enough. I'm not fit for this. I'm not cut out for that. What if I fail? What are people going to say? Those are the stories you're running, and that's your belief. Now, in order for it to work, your conscious subconscious mind has to be united. They should be united with the same decision, and that is when the magic happens. When your conscious mind and your subconscious mind are in harmony, are united with the same decision, because now it recognizes what you want, because you keep telling yourself over and over again, and you need to believe in yourself. It's only when you change your beliefs, your habits, things start to change. So when you change a belief and you believe that you're already the person who you want to be, you change your habits based on that person who you want to be, that's when it harmonizes with it. That's when the two of them unite, and that's when the magic happens. Now, in order for the magic to happen, there's also one more step that you need to take, and that is action. Action is one of the most important things, because you could sit, you could visualize, you can, the messages you want to consciously, subconsciously. If you do not take the action, it's not going to happen. Money is not going to fall off from the roof and it's going to fill your lap up. No, it's not going to happen. You need to take action, and you need to keep moving forward, because that is the only way you will get to where you want to be, whether it's the money, whether it's the love of your life, whether it's the relationship you want, whether it's your health. You and only can do it by taking the action. You've done the conscious part of it. You've created the image. You've embedded the image into the subconscious mind. Now you need to take is the action. And when you start taking the action, like I said, magic happens. Hope this has been of help to you. If you want to find out more about manifestation or hypnosis, leave a comment below or send me a message. I'd love to help you out with it.